You probably want to get a little blade.
Oh, look at that. Okay.
Alright, so then...
Does this flip up? I feel like...
Yeah, if you hold it on, it should just twist up.
Okay. Right, okay, I'm going to have a go now.
Yeah?
Make these gloves.
Yeah, put them on. They should be right, they're a fresh pair.
This visor is really cool.
Yeah. When you spend like 6 hours a day in it, it has to be alright.
Okay.
So yeah, you hold that like a pen almost. You hold it, that's it.
That way?
Yeah. So if you lean your wrist on the table.
Okay.
Yeah.
Pass me this thing here.
Yeah. So, like I say, just a little easy touch on it and we'll get it up. We'll try and get it pulled down. A bit closer, a bit closer. There.
Whoa.
Get it towards the end. So as that, if you get the pull going first, keep that rod away. So as your pull gets going, this is further away, and then as your pull gets going, dab it in and pull it away. Dab it and pull it away.
Okay, and do you touch the surface?
No.
With this?
Yeah, with that, yes.
Okay, now with this.
That keep away like about 5 to 10 mil away.
Okay.
And then as your pull gets going, that's when you touch that with the surface and pull it away.